All right, hi everyone. This is NET-200. These are the meeting times right now. We're going to talk about this Friday time on Friday. This was the first day, Monday. I'm the instructor, Mike Dirksen. We meet PC 229, and this was day one. Okay. This is a different class I met later on that day. So, took care of logins, and then we talked about, in the course, we talked about this concept, what we know. Sometimes when people already have some concepts of how networking works, or anything in technology, if they've learned it wrong the first time, sometimes it's even tougher to unlearn the topic and relearn the correct approach. Okay? We refer to Packet Tracer. Packet Tracer is software that lets us design networks. We'll be using that. We talked about the exams. We're going to actually do exams outside of class time, and right now I'm thinking 3 attempts. There is a place, there are multiple places out on the internet where you can find the answers. So it's like the honor system. We're going to trust you not to go look up the answers. Since the exams, they make up 10% of the total grade, these exams, and there's one for each unit. It doesn't have a huge impact. Now you want to do well on them, but you can take them multiple times and then talk to me about what you do. You just can't go out and find the answers and then just fill in the answers. I mean, you could, but it wouldn't do you very good in terms of learning. And then what we'll do is we'll have I'll have like, I guess we'll call them unit exams, and I think we'll cover 3 chapters. Or if I think we need one sooner, we might cover 2 chapters. Okay, so 10 chapters, 3, probably 4 unit exams. Okay, that should get us started. The couple things up here. Let me use another color here, just for contrast. We talk about the NIACC cloud, all the services offered here at NIACC, and then we have our own area, the IT area, which is really nice because you can do things here, and we can create issues, and we don't affect the rest of the campus. We have access out to the internet. But what we do in here, we can manage ourselves, which is nice. Some colleges or universities wouldn't do that. So here's the big picture. So we may look at traffic. So I can be at home, I can go into the internet, traffic move through the internet, and I can go to NIACC. When you're on NetACAD, you're actually separate cloud for NetACAD. It's connected to the internet. So we can go from wherever we are. Let's say we are at NIACC. We can go from NIACC to NetACAD. We can come from home and go to NetACAD. Okay? So we'll talk a lot about the internet, addressing how that works, a little bit why we have a separate login at NIACC because of the IT department. And we talked about how one site would communicate to another site using a VPN, virtual private network, or you could pay for services, a service provider, to connect your 2 sites. We just happened to talk about wide area networks a little bit. All right, so here's the scoop. You're going to work in the Cisco curriculum, NIACC.com, or if you go to Canvas here at the college, if you go to regular Canvas and go to this course, Introduction to Networking, there's a link there you can link and go to NIACC. You got your separate login, and then in there you'll work through the modules. I may add some other information, and we build the modules as we go. So this is the first module you're going to be working on in there, and there's some things I will be adding to the second module when we get to that. This will take you through the curriculum, and this first module is long and has a lot of terms. Sorry about that. So you don't get frustrated. We'll help you through the things, and it'll be really interesting to learn how networks work, how we can send information all across the world, how you can have that little box sitting at your house, Alexa, and you can just talk to it, and it goes out to the cloud and brings back what you want. It's crazy, but we'll understand it. All right, so that was the first day. I am going to sign out. We're done.